Okay, I'm going to quickly show you how you can use the calendar feature on your Schoology page and how you can use it to help organize your week or your month or even down to your day. Over here on the left-hand side on your home page, you can see your calendar. You click on your calendar and your calendar will pop up. If you go up here to the top, you will have the option to click on all of your courses that you're currently enrolled in so that all of your courses and all the assignments will show up on your calendar all at once. So I'm going to go through here, and as you can see, as I click, they're going to naturally populate into the calendar. And I'm just going to click on them so I don't miss any of my classes. Okay, so after I have all my classes chosen, the other feature that I can utilize is the color coding feature. So if I am someone that likes to color code, and that helps me organize even more, I can click any of these awesome colors here to the right hand side of the different courses. One other feature that I have up here that I can utilize is the month, the week, or the day. So if you're someone that likes to manage on a weekly basis, you can choose on the week. You can do a week at a glance. You can do a day as well. You can do a day at a glance, or you can do the month. Just know that more than likely, if you're looking at the month, more and more assignments will populate as you go through the weeks. And these are all of your calendar features that you can start utilizing if you are not already doing so. Thank you.